Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Abdullah Saleh. Today I am going to solve problem to finding the roots by using secant method. Here it is a universal equation of secant method, which is xn plus 1 xn minus x of n minus xn minus 1 over function of xn minus function of xn minus 1 into function of xn. Here xn is an initial value and xn minus 1 is initial minus 1, means 0. To find the roots of equation, I have that equation fx is equal to x cube minus 2x minus ka 5. Now to find the roots, we have to initialize some values like x of n, which is equal to x1. I suppose this value as a 3, and x0, which is 1 minus 1, means 1 initial value minus 1 x0, which I suppose to be 2. Then I find functions of these equations, like putting the values of x here, like for x1 we put 3 here and solve, we get the values 16. Similarly we do for x0, which is equal to 2, and find the values by putting the values in above equation when we find minus 1. Now by putting the values of x1 minus x1 minus x0 over f of x0 minus f of x0, we get, but I missed something here, which is according to that formula here should be f into xn, which is x1. So I am going to write it here, f of x into 1. So formula is complete now. Values, okay, by putting these values I found this, the value of x2 is 2.0588. now I will go for function of this value, which is f of x2, and I found this value, which is equal to minus 0.390799. now I will go for x3. Here it is. For x3, my initial value xn become x2 and xn minus 1, which is equal to x1. I have all the above values. By putting these values in my equation, here it is, x2 2.0588, x minus x2 minus 3, x1, which is I suppose that is 3, and now I find this value x3 is equal to 2.081263, which is, to find the roots we have that the values of x2 which is equal to x3 or near to x3, but you can see here that we find 2 but 0 0. We have to go for 3 decimal system. Right now till there we don't have, which is equal to 2.08, and here I found previously 2.0588, which is not same. So I have to go for x4. So for that I have to find function of x3, which is here. I found, similarly I putting the values and I get by calculating. Now I will go for x4. For x4, my xn become x3, my x2 xn minus 1 become x2. By putting this value I got the values of x4, which is equal to 2.0948. now you can see here the values of x4 is 2.094824, but x3 is something else. We are away from our roots. We are now converging and diverging. We have to find the same values. Okay, now we will also go for x5. Now for x5, as we all know, we have to find x4. We get x4 by calculating, I told you already. Now x5 we get the values of x5 is 2.09454. as we have to go for 3 decimal systems, so here you can see that the values of x5 is 2.0945, and x4 you already get 2.094. now we are converging, and our roots will be 2.0945. okay, now the roots of this equation is 2.094, and the number of iteration is 5, because we go for x5. Thank you for watching. I hope it will clear